Have you ever looked at someone who took his empty desires, his whims, and turned them into his God? What does that mean? You took your desires and you turned them into your God, Hawa. Your desires have turned into your ilah. Ilah is someone you obey. Ilah is someone whose authority you accept as absolute. Ilah is not just someone you worship. Ilah is someone you give into. Have you seen someone who submits to their whims as though they should be submitting to Allah? Whenever an urge comes to them, they just impulsively follow that urge. They've completely given themselves up before that urge. This is ilahahu hawahu. فَأَنْتَ تَكُونُ عَلَيْهِ وَكِيلًا. You're going to take care of a person like that? You're going to take care of his matter? He's a lost cause. A person like that, he doesn't have to have an idol in front of him. The idol sits inside his heart. You know, his greed. His money is his God. His addiction is his God. His temptation is his God. His reputation is his God. Whatever he's obsessed with, or she's obsessed with, they start worshipping that, meaning they give in to that. That's all they do. That's all they live for. Ilah is what becomes the goal of your life. Our goal is Allah. He's our ilah. What's the goal of your life? That's all their life amounts to. أَمْ تَحْسَبُوا أَنَّ أَكْثَرَهُمْ يَسْمَعُونَ. Do you really think that most of them are actually listening? أَوْ يَعْقِلُونَ. Or they even understand when you talk? إِنْهُمْ إِلَّا كَالْأَنْعَامِ. These people are nothing but the example of cattle. They're just like cattle. That's all they are. It's like you're giving a lecture to cows and sheep. Meaning there are a bunch of people, when people are self-absorbed, if you want to take notes, the ayah about people that are self-absorbed, أَرَأَيْتَ مَنِ اتَّخَذَ إِلَهَهُ هَوَاهُ, ayah number 43, is about people that are completely self-absorbed. And they are a hopeless cause. And Allah says about those kinds of people, even if they listen to a reminder, they listen to a reminder about the real ilah, it doesn't go anywhere. Because there's no space for another ilah inside. They don't have any room left. So they can't hear you. It just doesn't process, nothing processes. إِنْهُمْ إِلَّا كَالْأَنْعَامِ بَلْ هُمْ أَضَلُّ سَبِيلًا. They're nothing but the likes of cattle. Or even worse off than cattle. At least cattle might listen and turn your way. Might just move back in response. These guys, nothing. Dead silence.